welcome back to a brand new video. Now today I'm going to be spring cleaning. So if you need to clean your room, if you need to do some spring cleaning as well, put this on a massive TV or your iPad and spring clean with me. Now the first thing I'm doing is making my bed. I normally put my duvet cover on my duvet, put it to each corner and then grab the corners and push it inside the duvet. That's how I've always done it. That's what works for me because I'm a cerebral palsy. And with the pillow, I push each corner in. It takes me a little bit longer than other people, but that's what happens when you've got a disability. So you've probably guessed what this vlog is going to be about and what I'm doing by the title and by the video by now, but it's kind of like a spring clean because it is spring officially. Been spring for about a month now, but I just wanted to pop on here because I really don't like just filming content or vlogging without saying hi, but hi. And sorry about the shaky camera. I'm holding it with my left hand. I'll transfer it now. But I have done my main drawers and now I'm going to do my bed drawers. So I've got 4 bed drawers. I've already done my underwear. Did not vlog that for pretty much normal reasons. You don't want to see my underwear. So the last bits I've got is my jammy drawer, and then I've got a drawer with my gym stuff in and my like loungewear, like stuff what I'm wearing now. And then I've got another drawer on the other side, on that side that I rarely go in. It's got like puzzles and that in, so I'm going to sort that out as well. And I'm pretty much just going to sort out all my drawers. It's going to take me quite a while. But I said on my TikTok I will go live at 7:30, so we need to hurry up. So let's get on with the rest of it. But I hope you enjoyed the rest of this vlog. And you can like tidy up with me and let's just get a life together. Literally just getting my life together. Yeah. And I don't know about you, but I love watching cleaning vlogs while I'm cleaning. So if you want to clean with me, I love doing that. That's what makes me productive. That's what motivates me, not productive, motivates me to spring clean and just clean in general. And I've not done a proper gut clean through my wardrobes and drawers for quite a while. I did do my nail drawer, so I do need to do that. But that was ridiculous. Half of it, I chucked half of it away. But yeah, let's get into it. This literally shows how often I go into this drawer. I literally forgot I had all these hats. I thought I chucked them. I honestly thought I chucked them. So I've got these scarves. This winter what just passed wasn't that cold. Like, well, I didn't go out that often, so I didn't use all these scarves, not clasps. But I'm gonna keep them. I'm gonna put this one out though, instead of the white one, instead of this one, because I'm quite into my browns right now. And I forgot I had this scarf. Kind of want it to be like autumn so I can wear it, but like it's coming up to summer. But it's so pretty. And then I've got this hat. I might wear this hat tomorrow because this is like a summer hat. I love this hat, obviously with my hair down. Like it will look way more better when it's down, but yeah, I love this hat. And I thought my sister had this, but she hasn't. It's mine. I still don't know where my green hat's gone, but I'm happy I found these hats because I've been thinking I've chucked out loads of my hats recently. So I'm going to make this be a bit dedicated to like scarves and like this hat as well. I love this hat. The sun's coming out. I love this hat. I forgot I had this one. It's so cute. Because in the winter I normally wear like dark reds and that. So I'm going to put these two scarves in here. And I've also got that. I might actually take this out because I never used that. So just so because I normally go in this bit here instead of this bit or even in there. And then I've got all my jigsaws, but I just don't have room to display them. So I've got like loads of 3D jigsaws. Got the light edition of it's in New York, but I don't know what it is. But this, I think it's in New York. And then I've got London's clock, Big Ben. And then I've got, I've got the London Bridge. I can't take it out. But I've got all of them and I just don't have room to display them. So they go in there for now. And they just stay in there up until I have like my own place or something to display them. But yeah, let's get back to the time lapse. Bright red. The sun's finally came out, as you can see my bed, and I'm gonna leave this part right now. I'm gonna obviously tidy my bed without filming it. I feel like I'm gonna make this a really long vlog because I'm going shopping again tomorrow. I probably won't buy anything, but I probably will. Like, you know me guys by now. But what am I trying to say? I'm gonna do the rest of it tomorrow when I come back because I'm going early in the morning. So all like the dusting my room, and obviously we've still got my drawer that you're on right now, like the makeup drawer that people use. Then I've got my tiny drawers, one of the tiny version of the IKEA drawers. I've been doing this for too long to go through, but that's mainly hair stuff and makeup, and I've done that recently, so I might just sort it out like I did with my other shoes, my boots, because I didn't really chuck many boots there. But I've got one full bag of clothes and then half of a bag of like just random bits that I don't need anymore. So it's not complete. It will be complete at the end of this vlog, but it's gonna just be a mix mash of me going shopping, me vlogging, well, I am vlogging, me cleaning my room, like, yeah. But I will see you tomorrow. I'm going to edit this video and I'm going to go live on TikTok. Guys, we just hit not 10,000, I wish that day will come, but we just hit 9,000 on TikTok. Oh my god, it's crazy how much I'm growing on that platform. It's insane. But now I'm going to go for a shower. It is 9:16 right now, or 16 minutes past 9 o'clock. So I'm gonna go for a shower and then just chill out for the rest of the night. Before I put these away, I want to mind my nails. They are horrific. I need to redo them. Yeah, redo them. But I do want to show you these books, specifically these ones, because these are the new books that I've got. These two I've already had, or I already have. This one I'm actually reading right now. It's a manifesting book, like this one as well. Mind the stains. When I first got it, I spilled sauce on it and it's always had like a weird smudge ever since. But this one is Manifest 7 Steps to Living Your Best Life. And if you want to pause it, this is what it looks like. That's really good. I really recommend that. This one, I cannot remember where I've got any of these books. I think I got that from W. Smith's, I think it was. Most of these books are from W. Smith's or Tesco's. I don't really go to an actual book. Like, I don't go to a library. This is Make It Happen, another manifesting book. Again, if you want to screen pause that. This, I'm on page, let me find the page that I'm on. I actually don't know. Is it this page? Yeah, I'm on that page right now. So I'm barely halfway through it. I've only done like that much. So I've still got like loads to go through. But I've only just recently got into books, so I'm not a big book reader, but what I was like before reading books, I read books way more often than before, but compared to other people, I don't read them that often. But these two ones, I got these two about a week ago now, I think, and these were a set. They were £9, a set of £9. And this is the life of the life-changing magic of not giving a beep. Again, you can read that if you want. I have been looking at these books for quite a while. This is more paper. Don't know why they're different types of covers. But then this one is Get Your Beep Together. Has how to stop worrying about what you should do so you can finish what you need to do and start doing what you want to do. And then this is the back. You want to read that, but I just wanted to show you the books that I'm reading, because these are the types of books that I'm into at the moment. I finally found the types of books that I'm into, but I'm gonna tidy the rest of my room, like move the bin bags out, hoover and do everything like that off camera, and then I will show you the room tour, because loads of people have been asking me on TikTok, can we have a room tour, can we have a room tour? So I'll give you like kind of a room tour at the end of this vlog / spring clean with me. It's the next again day and I'm finally doing the room tour that you've all wanted. So this is what it looks like when you first walk in. Them bags there are for my mum's birthday. Yes, I'm in my jammies still. I'm gonna get washed in a bit. And then I've got the stitched stuff there. But it's not a small room, but like when I have the bed in, it takes up most of the room. But that is what it looks like. So I hope you enjoyed this spring clean with me. Let me know in the comments if you cleaned your room or your house, and I will see you next time. Bye!